So kind of a two-wave scenario is what we're looking at. Heavy rain to start the day, and then eventually we'll see that those storms track east. We'll catch a bit of a break, and then we'll bring in more chances for some stronger storms, more robust storms this afternoon. You can see one shower making its way into Panora right now. Otherwise, the bulk of the activity has stayed off to the northwest, and even some lighter showers up off to the northeast by Waterloo, Olwine area, bringing in a little bit of lightning there. Otherwise, this complex of storms that's working its way in from Nebraska, bringing in a whole lot of lightning. So just north of Carroll, again, slow to make its way to the east, but putting down a pretty good soaking rain for a lot of those locations that really desperately need it. So good to see that to kick off our day. And as we head through the 12 hours, through the next 12 hours, plan on central portions of the state eventually tapping into some of that moisture as we head through 9 a.m. Again, we'll catch a break as we head through the middle portion of the day. Better chances again for showers and thunderstorms to the north into the afternoon. Not to say we won't see it here, it's just the best chances will be Fort Dodge northward and eastward for some of those stronger storms, but it's going to be warm out there. Highs on the day in the upper 80s to low 90s. So let's track out the showers for you. You can see that line continuing to work its way to the east as we head in towards the afternoon. There's that break for central and southern portions of the state, but showers continue to the north, and then a line begins to form off to the west that's going to race its way to the east, bringing in the potential for damaging winds, the potential for large hail, and perhaps an isolated tornado as well. As that system continues to work its way east, it kind of dries out a little bit into the early morning hours on Thursday. So still dealing with some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity into the morning and afternoon hours on Thursday, but the bulk of that then will transition to the south of I-80, and that is looking at this point at least to be sub-severe. So bulk of the strong storms will be out there this afternoon, and then into Friday, perhaps hanging on to an isolated shower or so. But again, much needed rain falling across the state. Best chances for those strong storms area highlighted in brown, and to a little bit lesser of an extent, the area highlighted in yellow there. Again, the timing on these, heavy rain with the first batch, and then second batch is where we could see that damaging wind threat, the potential for some hail, and even an isolated tornado. As far as rain is concerned, finally some much needed rain through northern portions of the state to the tune of an inch or two. 8-day forecast. Again, more chances for rain on Thursday. After that, we are looking dry.